Hello and welcome to the Natural Lifestyle Remedies channel. We're all about embracing nature's bounty to promote healthier living. Our channel provides simple, step-by-step guides to prepare natural remedies. Today, we're diving into the world of delicious and nutritious smoothies, specifically an anti-inflammatory blend that's sure to kickstart your morning. If you find our content valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like our video, and share it with your friends. Now, onto our smoothie preparation. To kickstart your day with this berry-boosted anti-inflammatory smoothie, gather these ingredients. First, we have strawberries and blueberries, nature's candy. These berries are packed with antioxidants, known for their ability to fight off harmful free radicals in our body. They also add a delicious sweetness to our smoothie. Next on our list are flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're rich in fiber and full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for brain health. Plus, they give the smoothie an extra bit of texture. Then we have fresh basil. Not just for pesto. This herb is a hidden gem in the health world. It's packed with anti-inflammatory properties, making it a perfect addition to our smoothie. Finally, we'll be using oat milk. It's a fantastic dairy-free option that adds creaminess to our smoothie without overpowering the other flavors. Once you've gathered all these power-packed ingredients, it's time to start blending. Now that you have your ingredients, the fun part begins, making the smoothie. There's a certain art to layering a smoothie in a blender for optimal blending. Start with the softer items first. That's your ripe strawberries and juicy blueberries. These fruits not only add a delightful sweetness, but also pack a powerful antioxidant punch. Next, sprinkle in the flax seeds. They're tiny but mighty, offering a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids to help combat inflammation. Now here's the ingredient that might surprise you: fresh basil. Its unique flavor profile pairs beautifully with the sweet berries, and it's an incredible source of anti-inflammatory compounds. Now it's time to pour in the oat milk. This plant-based milk option is not just creamy and delicious, but it's also a great source of fiber, helping to keep you feeling satisfied for longer. Once all the ingredients are in the blender, it's time to blend. Blend until everything is mixed together and you have a smooth and creamy consistency. Now pour your smoothie into a glass. Look at that vibrant color. Not only is it pleasing to the eye, but it's also a visual testament to the antioxidant-rich ingredients you've just blended. And there you have it. Your delicious, nutritious, anti-inflammatory smoothie is ready to enjoy. In just a few minutes, you've created a powerhouse of nutrition with this berry-boosted anti-inflammatory smoothie. Let's take a moment to appreciate what we've achieved. We've blended ripe strawberries and blueberries, both packed with antioxidants that aid in combating harmful free radicals in our bodies. We've also added flax seeds, a known source of omega-3 fatty acids, vital for heart health and reducing inflammation. And who could forget the fresh basil, lending its unique flavor and its own set of anti-inflammatory benefits? Then we brought everything together with the creaminess of oat milk, a dairy-free alternative that's kind to both our bodies and the planet. This smoothie isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's a tool in your arsenal for a healthier, more vibrant life. Make it part of your regular diet and witness the transformation. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies, and share this video to spread the health. Here's to your health.